So tow mode. Enter transport mode. Vehicle's free rolling. All right, go ahead and disconnect the parking brake electrical connection. All right, we got all the doors and the frunk and the trunk open. Press this icon here. I'm gonna go to software. We're gonna hold the word model. We need to make sure that it's in park. SERVICE. Okay. Enter. Gateway locked. So pressing the brake. And the turn signal. Gateway unlocking. Gateway unlocked. Okay, disabled the right turn signal. Let's off the brake. Thermal refrigerant. Start refrigerant filled drain. Starts the thermal filled drain for refrigerant only and returns. This routine will run up to 50 minutes, but the final results are not reported. Routine passed. Yeah, so too confusing on the screen when we get a thermal that the service manual asked us to get the refrigerant system ready for fill drain. Although I really have a feeling that the rest of the instructions are all about coolant. So anyways, I've go to actions because I was just following the instructions. It says refrigerant is ready for full drain, but I really think that we're working on the coolant system. So let's get that system ready for fill drain. Starts the thermal fill drain for coolant only and returns. This routine will run up to 50 minutes, but the final results are not reported. That's exactly what it said in the refrigerant one, but it was ready like straight away. There you go. So I hit start the routine and it's like routine passed. So I'm gonna hit close. Okay, so that one turned yellow, just like the refrigerant. And then I'm gonna go back to thermal, actions. Now we got green lights on both of them. Okay. Okay, controls, safety. Sure you want to turn the power off? Yes, because all the doors are open. Trunk and frunk. So this is the frunk removed because I was checking out the main radiator cooling system, but really for this portion of the job, all the service manual wants you to do is disconnect the low voltage battery, but confusingly, the main point of disconnecting the high voltage battery is at the link for disconnecting this lithium ion 16 volt battery. This is the first responder loop, which you can find in the picture right underneath disconnecting this guy. And this is the actual disconnect for the high voltage battery. So once you disconnect this, it just says, give it a couple minutes for all the power to drain.
Disconnect the low voltage battery connector from the low voltage battery, release the green locking tab, press the black connector if applicable on the 16 volt battery.
Here I'm going to say up and out on the right side. Oh yeah, it's actually coming up and off, yeah. Sweet.
Disconnect the first responder. It just says simply disconnect.
Oh yeah, there's a big click in the back. So this is the back seat removed. And that's the pro to in the factory service manual. These little tabs are described as something that you do rearwards and upwards. However, both sides just rotate very simply towards the driver's side. That's how you release the seat. You need to invert them.
Oh yeah, because it's a DC.
That orange cover with the 5 load, what did you actually?
Ended up using an E12 Torx.
E12 Torx, which is just the 6-sided one.
Like you said, they were very, very easy to turn. So
Yeah, it's only 4 foot-pounds. Okay, so we just had to shave down our multimeter test probes. And then we're gonna go through the routine. And then the third test is just in between both ones. And we're reading nothing. Of course, safe because we've confirmed that there is no